Hunting arbitrage by hand across a dozen sports books is brutal. Claw Arbs does the hunting for you. This is the workspace. Everything happens inside the arena. Around the perimeter, you have your venues. Each building is a price source the system is connected to. Exchanges, sportsbooks, and any custom site you wire in yourself. In the middle, your strategy agents. Each one is an automated trader you configure once, and it scans the arena for edges that match its rules. Down here in the corner, the activity feed. Every detection, every halt, every fill in the order they happened. When an agent fires, a route line lights up between the two venues it traded between. The arena tells you what is happening at a glance. Agents come in 5 flavors. Cross-exchange. Kalshi against Polymarket on WebSocket, reacting in about 25 milliseconds when prices diverge. Cross-book. A sharp like Cloudbet anchors the true odds, a soft venue lags, and that lag is your edge. Any venue arb. One agent that scans every combination of venues you have on and fires on whichever pair has the best edge right now. Value bet. Single leg. When a soft venue prices an outcome higher than the sharps say it should be, the agent takes that side and skips the hedge. And sniper mode. Pre-arm a bet at a target price, walk away, and it fires the moment the market reaches you. 5 venues are built in. Kalshi, the regulated U.S. exchange. Polymarket, the crypto exchange on Polygon. Cloudbet, the crypto sportsbook. BetInAsia, the Asian sharp. And PS3838, also known as Pinnacle, the gold standard for sharp odds. If your local bookmaker is not on this list, click Add Venue. The calibration wizard opens the site, walks you through clicking on the elements that matter, and turns it into a custom venue in a few minutes. No code. Arbs panel. This is where live 2-leg edges show up the moment they appear, with the actual edge percent after fees and slippage. Hit play on a row, and Claw Arbs opens both venue tabs deep linked to the right markets. Hit confirm, and it records the bet to your portfolio. Value panel. Single leg edges where a soft venue is offering more than the sharps think it should. Every row shows you the no vig fair odds, every reference venue used, and how they were aggregated. Portfolio panel. Paper trades and real trades side by side. Click the expand icon on any row for a full pipeline postmortem, with a root cause badge that tells you exactly which step approved or killed the trade. Bank panel, your money in one place. Balances per venue. A full ledger of every deposit, withdrawal, and trade. An allocator that flags drift when a venue holds too much or too little of your bankroll. And tax exports including Form 8949 and Schedule 1 layouts, so the year-end paperwork is one click. Analytics panel, where you find out what is actually working. An edge funnel that shows how detected edges narrow at each step of the pipeline. P and L over time, closing line value broken down by source. And a losses tab that ranks your worst trades so you can rip the lessons out of them. Risk panel. Kill switch, daily loss caps, exposure limits, all visible at a glance. Log panel. Every trade attempt, every rejection, every cooldown recorded with the exact reason. If something halts a trade, you can find out why. Intel panel. Community signals on edges other users are seeing right now, Oracle consensus on disputed match outcomes, and a marketplace of community-built calibrations you can install with one click. That is the workspace. In the next video, we will create your first strategy agent together.